I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again, and I will not fall. I wanna lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, rise up from the ashes.
Lovely day, absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. We've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And that has certainly tested the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
And he just whacks it away. It's broken loose. Whipped in. It's there to get rid. Cristiano Ronaldo. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Mateus. Forlan. And he's straight offside. Cristiano Ronaldo. Rivaldo. Maldini as well there, alert. Hoists it forward. Now it's Owen. Forlan. Vieira goes looking. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Roberto Carlos. Yeah, and it's played forward. Will be a throw-in. Forlan with the crossfield ball. Mateus, and here's Forlan. What a ball this has turned out to be. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. And here's Van Basten. Forlan. Oh, he's in! It's a brilliant interception. And out to safety. Owen, and he's cut it out. Rivaldo. Well, now would certainly liven things up. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Triol. Rivaldo. Now it's Messi. Messi tries to stroke it through. Mateus. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Now it's Van Basten. And that'll be the final action of the first half. Both sides have drawn blanks. Toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. What's the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, they look lost for ideas and lacking in talent, which all contributes to a chronic case of impotence.
Oh, After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. That keeps things going for the second half.
Barcelona pretty fortunate not to be trailing at half-time. They've been lacklustre and second best for me. And if ever a situation demanded a telling off from the boss, it's this one. He has to spark a reaction.
Scholes. Dashing forward at pace. Triol. Mateus. And it's Lampard. He'll try from distance. An absolute thunderbolt! He's got himself a peach of a goal! As long-range strikes go, that is a belter, just brilliant.
Well, I think he knew the keeper might be onside him, and it seemed to be the case. He had a lot of traffic in front of him.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth the treat.
Now it's Messi. And they've been caught. It's Kroos!
Barcelona showing a little more urgency now, and to be honest, Peter, this is what's required.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Spot on, Peter.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Maldini with the foul. A fine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Lampard has created one goal already. It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Has a pop! It's in! 2 up and threatening to pull clear. He was urged to shoot. He duly delivered.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they paid the price and deserved to.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but...
Chance! They are rampant! And surely that settles it.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Now it's Messi. It's anyone's ball. Lampard going full tilt down the left. Forward it goes. Over to the left. And he's there to cut it out. There really wasn't very much in that. Not far away from being a telling final ball.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Messi. Maldini cuts it out. And That's it. Barcelona thoroughly outclassed here, and he came up against opponents who were better in all areas. No argument. Look back on the game then, Jim.
Barcelona still